Thank you, Madam Speaker. In September 2009, Customs at Tuticorin port detained a container with a hazardous waste weighing about 195 metric tons from Spain, Malaysia and Saudi Arabia. One of the containers imported from Malaysia had around 20 metric tons of hazardous medical waste. Every year, dangerous waste reaches India from various countries including Saudi Arabia, Malaysia, Barcelona, Greece and various parts of UK and United States. Do we know why these countries love to ship their garbage into India? According to one of the report published recently, this is because shipping their waste to India is about 4 times cheaper than recycling it in their own countries. Probably it is even more economically attractive to ship the medical waste because recycling medical waste is even more costly in their country. So it's all about money. The real problem is our own Ministry of Environment and Forests legally allows the import of hazardous waste into India, all in the name of reprocessing. In fact, we recently even gave a license to one of the reprocessing industry in the Roorkee. The question is, when we are not able to manage the waste generated within India, which is expected to rise significantly in the coming years, why are we allowing the import of hazardous waste from outside? Why is the government, which is presently incapable of providing doctors to our own hospitals, is inviting waste that will cause serious environmental and health issues for our own people?
Yes.
Thank you, Madam.
Thank you.
Madam, actually, I don't, I'm sorry, Madam, I don't, there is no, the issue, I don't actually understand what question the Honourable Member asked. We are not allowing the import of waste. There are certain cases where illegal import of non-biodegradable items has been caught, maybe, from USA to Kochi in the name of brown mix waste paper. The customs authorities found out that it actually contained such totally prohibited things as waste plastics, used gloves, PVC packings, and also even municipal solid waste. So all these, they do attempt to export it to India. No, there are rules. I've got the rules here. In the name of recycling, only certain categories are allowed. These are totally prohibited. No hazardous waste is that. The member is wrongly informed. I would like to assure the House that hazardous waste is not. No, I've got. नहीं, आप सुन लीजिए. आप एक मिनट सुन लीजिए. मेरे पास नहीं, मैं पढ़ रही हूँ. Some hazardous waste is announced with prior and informed consent. Some of I can read out the list of hazardous waste applicable for import and export without informed consent is metal and metal-bearing waste, chromium scrap, clean uncontaminated metal scrap including alloys, waste selenium, waste of copper, that is without prior informed consent. There is some waste which is totally prohibited and there is some waste which is allowed with informed consent based upon the Basel Convention, and those are only metal and metal-bearing waste, assemblies which have a shelf life of 8 to 10 years, and certain categories. No, only for the no, please understand, only for the purpose of recycling, only for the purpose. I'll explain. No, if you permit me, I'll explain. So, you take for example, e-waste is something which is hazardous, which we don't want to import. But supposing you get used computers, supposing you get multifunction devices, please hear me. No, please hear me. Please hear me. Supposing we get multifunction devices, for example, which are electronic waste in other terms, however, if they have a shelf life of 10 years, if those are allowed to be imported into the country, and those are allowed, the students are allowed to make Xerox copies for 1 rupee or 50 paise a copy, instead of, if you have a new machine, that will make the cost of one sheet of Xerox 50 rupees or 30 rupees, that becomes quite prohibitive.
Yes, all right. It's okay.
Listen, I'm just bringing to the House, to the notice of the House, these are the rules which we've notified. We are constantly reviewing it. If you have concerns, see, if you feel that these will continue to be a tremendous danger to the environment, we'll review the rules. I have an open mind. I don't have an issue about it. We'll review the rules. I have a completely open mind. I don't mind. I'm only sharing the existing situation with you. No, I'm only. नहीं आप चिल्लाइए मत. I'm only sharing the. Please. I'm only sharing the existing situation. I'm only sharing the existing situation with the honourable members. We are constantly reviewing it. So as and when we receive representations, we'll review it.
She